He is not a big, trumpeting elephant. Oh no. Pipkin is scarcely taller than the tallest mushroom, with big, floppy ears that feel like velvet and eyes the color of a twilight sky. His heart is full of sweetness, and his movements are always soft, so as not to startle the sleeping dewdrop fairies on the leaves. But Pipkin has a little secret, a tiny bit of magic all his own. It lives right in the very tip of his wiggly-waggly trunk. You see, whenever Pipkin feels a little tickle in his nose, a tickle that grows and grows into a sneeze, something wonderful happens. He does not sneeze a loud, startling noise. Instead, his sneezes are like soft puffs of wonder. Tonight, as the silver moon begins to climb the sky, Pipkin feels a familiar tickle. It starts as a tiny fizz, like a bubble in a sleepy stream. He wiggles his trunk, hoping the feeling will go away, but it only grows stronger. It is a